So how to install WordPress manually in your cPanel? So doesn't matter what hosting account you have in what company. You should log into your cPanel account. Usually you can type your domain name like this and add here cPanel. And on click you'll be redirected to page like this where you can enter your cPanel login details. When you will log into your cPanel account, you should there are two ways how to install WordPress. So first one is easy one. There are third-party applications in software section, and you will see WordPress. So you can simply click and install it like this. But not all cPanel companies provide such third-part software. So in my case, I do not have this. So let's install WordPress manually. So first of all, let's I will go to my folder. So here's my website and I need to go to this folder. So here it is. So in this folder, in this website folder, we will install um, our WordPress files. So go to wordpress.org and here you should download WordPress. Simply click on in zip. So make sure to download zip file. So let's download it. As you can see, it started downloading. Okay, when download completed, let's open our folder. So we will see folder like this one. And now we need to extract all files from WordPress here, or we can simply paste it here in our desktop. It's already got one. So new folder here in desktop. So new folder. And I will put this WordPress folder from archive here. So it starts unzipping files. Okay, it's complete. Let's close this window now and double click here. So here are all files. So we need to pack them again in zip file directly. So because otherwise your website will look like this if we will do install domain.com WordPress like this. So if we would like to remove this WordPress, we should pack all these files separately. So let's pack them, add to archive, zip folder. Okay, so we have packed this. Now let's copy link and go to our cPanel. So here it is. Let's upload files, select file, and let's select our new archive and click on open. So upload it. Let's go back to our folder, reload page. It may take some time to appear. So let's reload our page again. So here it is. Let's extract files to the same directory. So extract files, all completed. And now we can remove this zip archive. It's not longer required. So let's delete it permanently. Okay, confirm. So first steps installing WordPress completed. So if we will go now, enter our website link here, you will see setup page like this. So let's click on continue, and here you can see what details required in order to set up your WordPress file. So as you can see, we need to create database name. So let's go back to cpanel again. So let's go back to cpanel, and here we should locate section databases. Click on MySQL databases. Here we should create a database name. So type here any name. So make sure to record this database name. You can open Notepad for this. Go back now, and here we should create MySQL user. And type password for this user. I recommend you type here strong password in order to protect your database, because database it's everything for your website. So make sure to copy username. So now we need to add this user to database. So he will this user should be with admin rights. So let's scroll back again here and select your username and database. Make sure to check if everything is correct here. Click on add and click on all privileges and click on make changes. So changes completed. Now we can go back to our WordPress configuration. Click on let's go. Type here your database name, what we have just created. Type here your username. Here you should leave empty, or if your hosting provider got any specific host for databases, they should provide you with this address. But usually you should leave this empty. This one as well, do not modify. So here you should type your password and click on submit. Now you can see that if everything is go alright, you will see such message and a button run the installation. So let's click on it and it will start installing. So installation completed. Here we can add site title. If you do not know what to write here, you can simply type your website address and change this later. So here you should type your username, for example admin. Here you should type your password. Make sure to make it strong. Here you should type email, what you will use for notification, for you've got all messages here. And when you have completed all these steps, click on install WordPress. As you can see, installation completed, and now we can log into our WordPress website dashboard. So type here again your details, what you have just entered, and you can see we are in a WordPress dashboard. So now you can change WordPress template, and start editing your website.